Hi, this is Kaushik Ranchod from the Ranchod Law Group, and today we are going to talk about I601 waivers and country conditions. Today's question is, how will my country conditions affect my hardship waiver application? Excellent question. Well, when you file for an I601 waiver application or I601A, you need to make sure you leave no stone unturned. So that means you have to talk about possible educational disruption to your U.S. citizen spouse, because remember, the hardship is to your U.S. citizen. It's not to you. Or career disruption, or potential health issues that your spouse may face, or psychological issues. All of those are extremely important. But you also need to talk about the specific country conditions. So, for instance, we do many applications for people who are from Mexico. And in Mexico, there's, in many parts of Mexico, high instances of crime and violence. But we don't just look at that as a whole, we go and delve deeper into the specific region. So, for example, in Michoacan, there's drug cartels there. And those drug cartels are extorting the local people there. They're making them pay money just to be left alone. Or they're making them pay money so their daughters are not kidnapped. So we talk about that. Another example is in Brazil. In Brazil, there's police gang and police violence there. In fact, in 2013, it was reported that there was 165 killings by police units. And when that is happening by the police itself, that is a sign in and of itself that that region is not safe. Now, it's not important enough to just explain these forms of hardship. You have to take it one step further. You have to show evidence. So, not only do we explain this, but we demonstrate this through evidence. So, let me give you some examples. We put forth evidence from people who may live in that region, get their letters. Or we get pictures of the local schools or the healthcare facilities showing that they're inferior. Or we get articles from the local newspapers talking about the violence, talking about how dangerous it is in the specific region. It's so important for you to cover every single aspect of hardship in your hardship waiver application. Because it's not just enough to show mere separation. You have to show extreme hardship, and that standard is very high. So that's why in our hardship applications we like to talk about every aspect, including country conditions. I hope this video served you and helped illustrate to you another way that you can demonstrate extreme hardship. Give us a call at 916-613-3553 if you have additional questions. We answer questions like this all day long. And email us at info@ranchodlaw.com if you have a question that you would like us to answer in our next video. Thank you for taking the time for watching this video. And just by watching this video and trying to get legal, you are trying to better yourself. And by trying to better yourself, you're bettering your family. And by bettering your family, you're bettering our country. Thank you, and until next time. Click on the pictures above that best describes the service you're seeking. I'm attorney Kaushik Ranchod with the Ranchod Law Group. Whether you're trying to determine the type of visa or green card you qualify for, or just need tips on what to look for in hiring an immigration attorney, we have the answers. My team of professionals is comprised of many immigrants, and we understand how complex the process can be on your own. Give my office a call today for a free consumer's guide on hiring an immigration attorney.